straightener and this side with a curling iron, just so that you can do whatever you're more comfortable with. If you're more comfortable with a straightener or a curling iron, you can adjust to whatever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hair with the Tresemme Heat Protector. Okay, so what I do is I take the hair, kind of straighten it out on my fingers. I hold the hair out like this, and then I hold the straightener vertical, and I clip on it, turn to the left, and slide down, leaving an inch out. So maybe you do that. Hold it out. And to go away from your face, you want to turn it to the left. And if you want to go towards your face, you turn it to the right. So hold your hair out, straightener vertical, push down, turn to the left, pull, and stop about 1 inch at the ends like that. Leaving your ends out really makes this look for the beachy and gives it a bunch of texture. So I'm going to do one more away from my face to the left. And then I'm going to do this next one towards my face because it breaks up the curls and it gives it more of a natural look that everyone's wanting. So I'm just going to curl it. Same thing, vertical, but I'm just turning it to the left instead of the right. Or to the right instead of the left. Just like that, stopping about an inch away from my ends. So this one I'm going to go away, and I'm just going to clamp to the left. And that's pretty much it. Making sure you keep the ends straight is a very big part. This side with the straightener, I'm going to do this side with the curling iron. So I'm just using my T3. It's a 1 inch barrel in case you were wondering. And for this, I'm just taking a section, kind of smoothing out with my fingers. So I'm going to like hold it closer to the top at first and then work my way down. Still leaving about an inch out on my ends. And then I'm kind of unraveling it and pulling down, and when you pull down, it's straightening the ends to give it the same look as you did with the straightener. So once again, you hold the hair out, curling iron vertical, right to go away from your face, at least on this side. Leaving an ends out, unravel and pull. You see how that just straightened that out? Unravel and pull, just like that. And I'm gonna do one away from my face. I do about like every 3 curls away from my face. I do 1 towards my face. Just flip out like that, take your straightener and just kind of curl them down. Okay, so before I like brush them out with my fingers, I like to go in with the Way Memory Mist and just spray it all around so that the curls can mold to this form. And I still don't like to brush them out yet. And then I go in with my Joico Body Shake, and it's a texturizing finisher. I highly recommend a texturizing spray anytime you are curling your hair. It really just gives it the grit that it needs to hold on, and it gives it that beachy, textured look that everyone's wanting. So I just use a good amount and just really spray that in there. And then I go in and run my fingers through it and break it all up. And if there's any pieces that I see that I don't like I don't really like that one, I will go in and fix it. just keep playing and twisting until I get it to where I like it, and then I'll go in with like another hairspray. Something that I love to do with my short hair is the side that I have less hair on. I like to tuck the front piece behind my ear and go in with like a teasing comb or brush. Tease right behind it. And then tease the rest of my hair because I have like no volume in my hair. And I love volume. And I don't really do the front piece. But then I just take it and smooth it out. And then yeah, I like to have really flat hair right here, and then yeah, this is how you get my easy beachy waves. It's super simple. Products is a big step in getting these looks, in my opinion. I mean, I know a lot of hairdressers will tell you that. I used to never use products before I went to school, and then now I use like 20 of them in one day after I get out of the shower, after I style my hair, whatever. But definitely I recommend a texturizing spray for any curls, because it just really gets in there and it gives you that textured, messy look. And the beachy, like that's for beachy waves, that's the #1 product I will recommend. Definitely a good hairspray. I use the Way Memory Mist, like I said, but also I use this Way texturizing hairspray. It's a texturizing spray and a hairspray all in once. You can get this at Sephora. I don't know if you can get it at Ulta, but I know you can get it at Sephora. I just got the little one to test it out and I love it, and I actually need to restock on it. But yeah, you can check out Sephora. If you don't know what kind of products you should be using on your hair, you can message me and I can give you some tips, some recommendations, where to find them.